Alright guys, Duke of Disney, Jonathan, we're here. We're going to be doing an unboxing today of these guys, American Adventure. This is this pin set is ridiculous. If you haven't gotten into it, it's 27 pins, make up the whole set of the United States. And then there's another 27 chaser pins that are LE200. We actually started collecting this set when it first came out. My friend Matt, aka Matty C, and I got 15 boxes, I want to say, and we came up pretty short. I ended up trading and doing a bunch of things and got the complete set. But a recent trip down to Disney World, we picked up 10 more boxes. Just happened to be in Frontier Pin Trading in Magic Kingdom. They had boxes, picked up 10 boxes for Matty C, and today we are going to do a massive unboxing. So we got them right here. Boom, Disney pins. So everybody meet Matt, aka Matty C.
Hey everybody, I'm not a Duke. I'm more like a Squire. Page maybe.
And there's Mrs. Duke. And then we got Little Duke, mid-sized Duke, aka Joey. Wanna do a little bow, Joe? Little bow? Oh, very nice, very nice. Alright, so here's where we currently are, guys.
Yeah, we got a lot of nation building to do tonight. Let's do it.
We got a lot of the United States to fill in here.
We got the whole bread basket right in the middle. So last time, it was exciting, but a little bit disappointing. Opening 10 boxes, I'd say we duplicated quite a few pins. We're hoping to not have that happen this time, but we'll see what happens. 10 boxes. Oh.
Massive 10 boxes. American Adventure.
This is gonna be awesome.
We're going crazy. American Adventure pins.
Oh.
Pizza sauce.
Fresh Disney pins.
Straight from the Magic Kingdom.
I thought it was pizza sauce.
Alright. Yeah, we'll line them up and knock them down.
Let's start with the left side.
We're gonna start with the left side. My left or your left? Or their left?
The left.
Their left? I don't know which side that is. Maybe that's this side. We'll go with this side.
Is that side? Yeah.
Yep.
Alright.
Alright, here we go,
Broke
guys.
the seal. Broke the seal on the first one. Oh, they come in little black bags, so you can't even tell what you get.
You get 2.
Yep, you get 2. You gonna feel that? Tell me what you think it is. Oh.
This feels like Florida.
I know exactly what this one is, too.
This is Florida.
John knows what this one is. The Duke can use his powers and tell me exactly what that is. And I think Joey's right on this one.
This is a duplicate.
Yeah, so already I only have 6 pins. Now we have 2 duplicates.
But they're good duplicates.
They're good duplicates. I'll show you number 1.
You have California, don't you?
Oh, we have
This one works.
home of Walt Disney World, Florida. Beautiful sunny Florida. Muggy, beautiful sunny Florida. So 2 Floridas and the OG, where it all started, Disneyland, California. California Mini Mickey riding down the coast with their surfboards. It's a beautiful thing. Redwood forests and the Golden Gate Bridge.
That's a good box. That's a good box. You got Disneyland, and Disney World in one box.
Yeah, I can't be disappointed with that. Which side are we going with now, Joey?
That one.
We'll do this side. I'm gonna break that seal on there.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Do it.
Do a little magic. Blow on it.
Yeah. Well, that's a fun thing about these is that they each come with a handy dandy
Oh, wait, Joe, wait. Yes, can you figure out what pin it is before you open it?
that you can see all of them.
Another
The
Florida.
great thing about these pins is that they're a little bit educational too. You can have your kids get into them and see the whole map of the United States and learn the states as they go. Make it fun. And oh, yes, this is exactly what I thought was going to happen. Buying them in bulk like this.
And
getting a
another
whole-
California.
getting a whole trove together. It's gonna happen. Yep.
That'll be pretty bad if we get 10 boxes
You're
of
gonna
Florida
get-
and California.
South Florida. And here we go. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. California. Left coast, right coast. We're doing spectacular.
We're killing it here. We're killing it.
Amazing. Alright, we're going in the middle. Let's change this up, Joey. Change it up.
I hope.
Alright, blow on it, give it some luck. Let's see what happens.
If only we had a lucky horseshoe.
Alright, we got something different here.
Oh, good.
We got something different.
Alaska, Hawaii. I would love one of those. Ooh, this feels.
Another different one. So that's
good.
This is progress. I think we got a couple of good ones here. I'm thinking this one is
All
the
right.
Carolinas.
And this one, I have no idea. I could feel around for a while and look at this map.
Call it
but
Kansas.
I'm going to bore you, and I'll just open it and we'll see what we got. All right. Well,
Chaser.
No, that's North and South Carolina.
John thought that one was Carolina. This one is definitely the Carolinas. North, South Carolina. All right, we're gonna hopefully work our way up the coast. We gotta fill in Georgia, right above Florida, but at least we have the Carolinas. And we'll see how far we get. Maybe we got a Tennessee or.
Sure. Go for it. Wait, maybe Ohio?
I can't wait. It's different. It's lovely.
No,
Oh, Michigan. All the way up top.
Got Goofy with the lighthouse.
Michigan. Wonderful. Wonderful. Something
All right.
different. That's all we can hope for.
Duke brought good luck.
All right, Joey.
Don't forget, I brought bad luck. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
This is a new one.
This feels like a new one too.
Hold on, Joe. Hold on, bud.
Oh, maybe it's not a new one. This is not a new one. This is. We got ourselves Tennessee and Kentucky. Wonderful.
Nice.
New one. We have a duplicate here. Joey, do the honors. Show us what we have.
I know what it is. It's Florida.
Nope.
Oh yeah, I see. Come on.
Pretty far off. Pretty far off. You gotta go way north to find this one.
Not a duplicate.
And it's show it to the people. Show it to them. It's another Michigan. For you people in Michigan, I've never been there. I'm sure it's lovely. I would like to go someday. Not today. Next one.
So far you have like 15 duplicates of California.
Yeah, we got a lot. What do we got,
Alright,
Duke?
guys.
Duke of Disney. Disney.
Let's see what we got. We got
Disney.
Try one of
I
them.
think this is this could be Rhode Island again.
Ooh,
Get some luck.
I think you're right. I think we have another Rhode Island.
This one here is
And we do have another Rhode Island, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, and Connecticut. So another duplicate. They're adding up quick. Adding them real quick. Oh. Is that a good ooh or a bad ooh?
we got a
Montana.
Montana.
Oh, not a Montana. Washington, Oregon.
Yeah, Washington, Oregon.
That seems to be a fairly common one. I see a lot. A lot of people reselling that one.
It's a good one though. It's got Mickey and Donald.
The two, number 1 and number 2. Donald being number 1, by the way. I know I have Mickey hat on, but come on. Donald's number 1. Joey, show us what we got. What is it?
Florida, I don't know.
Oh boy. I think we might have.
Let me see, Joe.
Oh yeah. Yep. We have another duplicate.
This is not a duplicate.
Oh yeah. We'll show you the duplicate first. Montana. And Montana, for you Pluto lovers out there, giant bone in his mouth.
You don't want to get a duplicate of that because then you'll have a duplicate.
This is not a duplicate. I'm gonna let Matty C open it because it has his favorite character on it.
Oh, Donald. Oh yeah.
And
It's Texas. It's
And
Texas.
one of my favorite foods.
they're known for these. They make really good French fries out of these.
Texas.
A little bit north.
Yep. We're going
Idaho.
to Idaho. Donald Duck
So you
carrying
only-
a spud.
So you only actually put the new ones on the board.
Oh, I didn't even see this either. It's a chaser. You can see it.
Ooh,
The colors
that's
are
awesome.
muted on that one. They're very dark. Donald is washed out. He looks like a ghost.
Heli 200 Chaser.
My first chaser.
He traded chasers for others.
Alright, we've got 4 boxes left.
All open one, whole one.
You can see the outline of this one right as you handed it to me.
Duplicate of another really good state.
Beautiful, wonderful California. I love you, but I'm getting tired of you as far as Disney pins go.
But I do believe this next pin is. No, it is a duplicate. Arizona.
Arizona. Good old Arizona. Hot. The trot, Arizona. Joey's got the next one?
Joey's got one. Let's
And
Joey.
another one.
Go ahead and open it, Joe.
Another duplicate.
The Carolinas.
We got another one though.
Daisy.
Donald. Donald's sipping some sweet tea. Daisy's race car driver.
I don't have this on.
Okay.
New duplicate.
Duplicate. Goofy, up in Michigan again. Good to see you.
But you know you can trade these for other ones.
We can. We absolutely can, and hopefully we will. We have 10 original pins. We need 17
Sorry about
more.
that. There's a baby behind us.
And we have 4 more pins. I don't think we're gonna make it.
I think we're gonna come up a little short.
We need like the whole Louisiana purchase right here in the middle, and it's not gonna happen.
I didn't find a baby. Can I do the honors? I don't think anything's in here.
Oh, we have nope. There's nothing in there. We have another duplicate.
Can I do the honors?
This might be
Patient.
the original. Although, I don't know. We'll just have to open it up and see. It is not original. Another Tennessee and Kentucky.
Can I do the honors?
Oh, Clarabelle, right there in the middle.
Can I do the honors?
You can do the honors. Last box. Make it a good one, Joey.
Wait. Ethan.
Oh.
Another Michigan.
We got 2 more bags, guys. Yeah, 2 more bags.
Okay.
We got 2 more. We got 2 more. 1 second, guys. We have what? Found it. I think
Hope for 2 good
this is
ones.
Texas.
And that would be exciting if it is.
It's definitely one of the bigger ones.
Texas or Alaska? Maybe Hawaii. Oh!
Another
We got very excited.
Oregon.
Another Washington and Oregon.
I'm going to do the honors. The map. It's the map, Daddy.
It is a map. Do you know what that map is? Oh. That's a map of the United States.
Oh, it has Pete on it. It's another one of those.
Another Rhode Island.
It's another map. It is in.
All right, well, that was exciting. We got a couple.
It is another Rhode Island.
Alright, well, Disney pins kind of
Yeah.
seems to be the recurring theme when
Bye, guys.
buying lots of boxes together.
Yeah.
Seem to get a lot of duplicates.
Variety is not the strong suit.
We only got 3 pins that we didn't have
No.
before.
You got
Michigan, Idaho, Kentucky, Tennessee, North Carolina, and South Carolina.
Well, that's
So
that's a
four-
pretty good one.
Got 4 of them, and one of them was a chaser, which is very nice. So now we'll do some wheeling and dealing and seeing if we can get a few more states in here.
So if you're out there and you're working on this set and you're looking for Washington,
You could ask us, and we might trade you.
California, Arizona, Montana, Michigan, Rhode Island,
And a little bit.
North and South Carolina, Tennessee, Kentucky, Florida. Look us up. Drop a message below.
Glad we can.
And maybe later you might be able to get others, like Texas.
So,
Would love a Texas or a Hawaii.
thanks for joining us, Duke of Disney, Maddie C, Joey.
Nice to meet y'all.
Like and subscribe. Leave comments below if you're looking to trade. Definitely leave us some comments. Reach out. We'd love to trade with you, all right? Thanks. We'll see you soon.
See you real soon.